Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Geography with Joy. This is Subhalakshmi. Today we are going to talk about the formation of a river delta. What is a delta? How is it formed and where is it formed? Let's learn about it. What is a delta? A delta refers to the fan-shaped alluvial tract of land which is formed at the mouth of the river. It is a wetland that is formed when rivers empty their water and sediments into another body of water. The word delta is derived from the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet and is written like a triangle. The heaviest deposition occurs in the delta region. The silt is deposited mainly at the mouth of the river where it meets the sea. It is formed during the lower course of the river. Have a look at this image. This is an aerial view of the formation of a river delta. As the river approaches the sea or ocean, it cannot carry the sand particles anymore and deposits all the sediments at its mouth. Since the mouth is blocked by the sediments, water is not able to move freely and they get distributed into several small channels. Here comes the concept of distributary. Now, what is a distributary? When the mouth of the river is blocked up, the level of the river rises and the water is unable to find its way directly towards the sea. This water then runs from the main stream and flows into several channels. Each of these channels is called a distributary. Have a look at this picture. This is again an aerial view of a delta region forming different distributaries. Have you seen? These are the distributaries. Since the main stream is not getting a free movement, they are getting bifurcated into different channels. The distributaries wander over the delta plain, forming a network of channels resembling the fingers of a hand spread out towards the sea. This gives the delta a triangular shape. Look at this. This is a beautiful view of Sundarban Delta with scenery trees. This is a tidal forest. Conditions required to form a delta. All rivers do not form deltas. The river's depth, width, and velocity determine how much and how big the sediments it can carry. A fast and turbulent river transports larger sediments in size and amount. When the river's flow slows down, the size of the particles decreases because larger particles are deposited first. This cycle continues, producing beds with alternating layers of fine and coarse sediments. There may be no delta if the last course of the river is very swift or if it carries little or no alluvium up to the sea or the sea near the coast is very deep. Tidal current at the mouth of the river can also wash away the silt. If there are larger lakes in the course of a river, much of the sediment is removed before the river reaches the sea. Hence, the required conducive conditions for delta formation are the long length of the river. The longer the length of the river, more is the bank and bed exposed for vertical and lateral corrosion. Greater erosion will contribute more sediments for delta formation. The coastal water should be shallow and preferably tideless. In deep water, sediments are lost. The absence of a lake along the course of a river. Lakes along the course of the river reduce the quantity of the fine sediments available at the mouth for deposition. The absence of strong current. There should be an absence of strong current. Currents generally remove the sediments. At the end, let's have a quick glance at the importance of delta region. Deltas are dynamic areas that change quickly due to the erosion of unstable land during storm and flood events. The deltaic soil is extremely fertile and supports dense population due to their agricultural productivity. For example, the Ganga Delta in Bangladesh and the Nile Delta in Egypt. An enormous amount of land building materials are transported and deposited by big rivers at their mouth. Delta can provide coastline defense and also drinking water supply. They are also ecologically important as many species live together depending on their landscape position. Have a look at this aerial image. This is the green mangrove forest on Amazon River Delta. You can see the main stream along with her distributaries and a dense tidal forest on the river delta. And look at this creation. This is a blue-throated burbot in Sundarban's delta region, a rare species. And that's all for today. I hope you liked my video and learned something new. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and do like and share my video. Thanks for watching. See you again with a new video. Till then, take care and have a good day.